Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Mastering the art of braking. Descend with confidence on any terrain. Are you ready to conquer the thrill of riding downhill, but worried about losing control? Navigating downhill slopes can be exhilarating, but mastering the art of braking is crucial to your safety and success. Improper braking techniques can lead to overheating brakes, loss of control, and even dangerous accidents. It's essential to understand the risks and importance of employing the correct braking methods when descending, whether on a bicycle or in a vehicle. Stay in control and ride confidently by mastering the proper braking techniques for downhill descents. Braking efficiently not only ensures your safety but also enhances your overall riding experience. Join us as we look into the world of downhill braking, unraveling essential tips and strategies to help you navigate slopes with ease. Get ready to elevate your skills and tackle descents with confidence. Understanding brake systems. When it comes to understanding the crucial components of a vehicle or bicycle, brake systems are at the forefront. There are different types of brake systems used, each with its unique features and functionalities that impact their performance during rides, especially on challenging downhill terrains. Disc brakes. Disc brakes operate by clamping down on a rotor attached to the wheel hub. Their design allows for efficient heat dissipation, making them ideal for demanding conditions like steep descents. The advantages of disc brakes lie in their ability to provide consistent and reliable stopping power, ensuring safety and control when navigating downhill slopes. Drum brakes. Drum brakes, on the other hand, function by pressing brake shoes against the inner surface of a rotating drum. However, drum brakes are less effective in dissipating heat compared to disc brakes, which can be a limitation during prolonged downhill braking. They may require adjustments or cooling mechanisms to prevent overheating and maintain optimal performance in challenging terrains. Understanding the mechanics and differences between disc brakes and drum brakes is essential for selecting the right brake system based on your riding preferences and terrain requirements. Whether you prioritize heat dissipation, reliability, or ease of maintenance, choosing the appropriate brake system can significantly enhance your overall riding experience. Factors affecting braking performance. Speed and gradient. When hurtling down a slope, your brakes need to work in harmony with the speed and angle of the descent. Speed plays a crucial role in how quickly you can come to a halt. The faster you go, the longer it takes to stop. Adjusting your speed on downhill rides is key. A slower pace grants you more time to react and brake effectively. Moreover, the gradient of the slope influences your braking efficiency. A steeper incline demands more force on the brakes, potentially causing overheating if not managed properly. To navigate this, try modulating your brakes by applying intermittent pressure rather than prolonged, heavy braking. This technique can prevent overheating and ensure your brakes remain responsive throughout the descent. Weight distribution. Proper weight distribution is a hidden hero when it comes to braking performance. Maintaining a balanced load on your bike or vehicle helps stabilize it during downhill descents, preventing skidding and loss of control. When the weight is distributed evenly, the braking force is more effectively distributed among all wheels, maximizing traction and control. To optimize your braking performance, ensure that your load is well balanced and distributed according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Remember, the way weight is distributed can significantly impact how efficiently you can brake in challenging downhill conditions. Braking techniques for descending safely. Descending steep inclines can be thrilling, but it also requires caution and skill to ensure a safe ride. Proper braking techniques are essential for maintaining control and preventing accidents. Let's delve into two key strategies for descending safely: brake modulation and choosing the right gear. Brake modulation. When navigating downhill slopes, mastering brake modulation is crucial. Brake modulation refers to the ability to control the application of brakes effectively. To avoid overheating the brakes and losing stopping power, consider these techniques. Feathering the brakes. Instead of applying sudden and hard pressure on the brakes, gently squeeze them to gradually reduce speed. This technique prevents skidding and maintains traction on slippery surfaces. Applying intermittent pressure. Rather than continuously holding down the brake lever, apply intermittent pressure to allow the brakes to cool off briefly. This method prevents brake fade and ensures consistent braking performance. Avoiding prolonged heavy braking. Constant heavy braking can lead to brake overheating and reduced effectiveness. To prevent this, alternate between applying and releasing the brakes to distribute heat evenly and maintain optimal braking power. Thanks for joining us for part 1 of our Braking Mastery series. We've covered fundamental techniques to help you tackle descents with confidence. Don't miss part 2, where we'll explore more advanced braking strategies. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.